First of all, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a new assignment for you. The name of this assignment is Exp22 Excel app capstone in intro assessment travel. This assignment is consist of 13 points, 32 points. Here I am going to solve some part of this assignment for you. If you want me to solve this complete assignment for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I am professional. I can solve this assignment and the other assignment of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Math, Stat, Business Math, Finance, Accounting, Writing, Technical Writing, all these assignment at a reasonable price for you. First of all, we will look at the project description. You are considering several cities for vacations. In particular, you are interested in Washington, D.C., Philadelphia and Boston. You will format a list of memories in DC's at Sparklines to compare the number of visitors over a 15-year period and create a bar chart to illustrate annual visitors at each memorial. In addition, you will create a table of sighting locations, sort and filter the data, apply conditional formatting and add a total row to display the average time needed to spend at each memorial. Finally, you will complete a worksheet by adding formulas to compare estimated major expenses for each city. So this is our project description. Now let's move to step number 1. In step number 1, it is saying start Excel, download and open the file name exp Excel22 creator has automatically added your last name. So this is our file. As you can see, student name is at the end of this assignment. When you open this file, your last name will be at the start of this assignment. How this file will be look like? This is sheet 1, TC22, places and cities. These are the files. Now first of all, it is saying only let's move to step number 2. In step number 2, it is saying on worksheet has the original default name sheet 1. You want to give the worksheet name a meaningful name. Rename the sheet 1 to DC 2017. So here we will right click on it, sheet, and select rename, and here we are going to type DC 2017 and press enter. So this sheet will be renamed. This point is consist of 1 marks and this is done. Next we will move to step number 3. But before starting step number 3, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. It is saying you want to move the year completed column between the memorial and 2002 columns. Select and cut column F and insert the cutted column in B1. So it is saying select and cut the column F and insert the cut cell in B1. So here we will select insert cut cell. First we will cut and next we will select cut cell. So this will be look like this. Next we will move to step number 4. But before starting step number 4, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. Next it is saying now you want to separate the worksheet title and source from the data set with a blank row. Insert a blank row between row 2 and row 3. So here we will click on row 2 and select we'll select row 3 and we will select insert. So a new row will be inserted. Next we will move to step number 5. But before starting step number 5, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. Next it is saying now you are ready to work with the DC 2020 worksheet. Your first task is to correct spelling error. Display the DC 2020 worksheet, check spelling and collect all misspelled names. So here we will just click on it, and first we will go to review tab, and here is the spelling. I will click, and then first I will change, next I will change and click OK. So all the spellings will be changed. So we have completed step number 5. Now we will move to step number 6. In step number 6, it is saying continue using the DC 2020 worksheet. You will format the heading on row 4. It is saying select the range A4 to G4. So this is step number 6. What we have to do, it is saying select the range A4 to G4. So here we will select from A4 to G4. This is selected, and next it is saying wrap text. So here is on the home tab, we move to home tab, and this is the option of wrap text. So it will be wrap. Next it is saying apply center horizontal alignment. So here center and center horizontal alignment. So this is done. Next it is saying apply blue accent 5 lighter 60%. So here blue accent 5 lighter 60%. So this will be done. Next we will move to step number 7, but before starting step number 7, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will solve out this complete assignment for you at a reasonable price and will provide good grades for you. Next, in step number 7, it is saying now you want to format the title so that it is more prominent. Merge and center the title in the range A1 to G1 and apply blue accent 5 cell style, bold the title. So here we will select from A1 to G1, merge and center, and next apply blue accent 5 cell style. So we will move to cell styles, and here is the accent 5 cell styles, and now apply bold. So this is done now. Again we will just first select it, merge, and then cell styles accent 5, and then bold it. So I have completed 7 steps for you. Next we will move to page number 2. Page number 2, it is saying step number 8. But before starting step number 8, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. It is saying the first column is too narrow for the names of the memorials. You will increase the width to display the full memorial names. Change the width of column A to 34. So here we will select column A, and either you can just right click on it and select column width and change it to 34, or you can let me redo it, or you can go to format column width, and here you will select here you will go to column width and change it to 34 and press OK. So this will be done. Next we will move to step number 9, but before starting step number 9, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will solve out this assignment for you at a reasonable price and will provide good grades for you. In step number 9, it is saying Sparkline provide visual representation of data. You will insert Sparkline for the data set. Select the range C5 to F10. So here this is C5 to F10, and insert sparklines from G5 to G10, where we will go to insert line sparkline. Here we will select the range, and it should be G5 to G10, and press OK. Or let me redo this. You can go quick analysis. Here is the spark line. You will insert line spark line. So this will be done. So I have completed 9 steps for you. Next we will move to step number 10. But before starting step number 10, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. It is saying select the range G5 to G10, display the high point sparkline markers and change the colors of the high point. So here first we will select from G5 to G10, then we will move to sparkline, and here we will select high point marker, high point sparkline marker, and change the color to, so here marker color we will change high point and we will change it to dark red. So this will be done. Next we will move to step number 11. But before starting step number 11, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. It is saying you want to create the chart that compares the number of visitors for each memorial. Select the range from A4 to A10. A4 to A10, and next it is saying C4 to F10 and create a clustered column chart. Apply the monochromatic palette 12 chart color. Apply gradient fill to the chart area. Do not change anything. So here first we will select A4 to A10, which is selected. Next it is saying C4 to F10. We will press Ctrl key, C4 to F10, and here we will go to insert recommended chart, and here we will select clustered column chart and press OK. So this is done now. Next it is saying apply monochromatic platelet 12 style. So here you will go to change color. This is monochromatic platelet 1, it is 9, it is 12. So this is apply. Next it is saying apply gradient fill. So here I will just double click on chart area and fill, and here we will select gradient fill. So this is done now. Next we will move to step number 12. But before starting step number 12, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. It is saying the chart displays over the data. You will move it below the data set and adjust the site. In addition, you will add alt text for the compliance. Cut the chart and paste it in A13. Change the chart height to 6 and change width to 7. Add alt text. The chart shows the number of visitors to each memorial for the 4 years. So here I will just select it and press Ctrl X, or you can cut it and then click in A13 and press Ctrl V. So it will be displayed. Next it is saying change height to 6 and width 7. Here we will go to format, height 6 and width to 7. So this will display like this. And next it is saying add the alt text. So here I am just going to copy this text. We will select the chart, and here is the option of alt text. Alt text, select the chart, and here I am just going to let me make it, or let me It is saying at the alt text, the chart shows the number of visitors to each memorial for the 4 years. So here, let me close it, and here just right click on it and select view alt text, and here I am just going to paste. I have copied and now I am going to paste, and now it's closed. So this is added now. Next we will move to step number 13. But before starting step number 13, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. It is saying change the chart title to annual visitor, apply blue accent 5, darker 25 font color to the chart title and category access label. Change the value access display units to million. Add primary minor vertical gridness to the chart. So here first we have to add chart title. So here I am just going to copy it, and I will just click on chart title, and in formula bar here I will just go to home tab and press paste and press enter. So this is changed. Next it is saying apply blue accent 5, darker 25%. So here accent 5, darker 25%. So this will be applied here. And next it is saying also category access. So this is category access. So here again I will go to here, font blue accent 5, darker 25%. So this is done. Next it is saying change the value access to display in millions. So here I will just double click on it. So this will display unit is none. I will change it to million. It is done now. Next it is saying add primary minor vertical gridness. So here is gridness, primary minor vertical gridness. So I will check this. So this will be done. Next we will move to step number 14. But before starting step number 14, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will solve out this complete assignment for you at a reasonable price and will provide good grades for you. Next we will move to step number 14. In step number 14 it is saying you want to add data labels to one of the data series. Apply the data labels to outside end position of 2020 data series. Apply number format with 1 decimal places to data labels. So here this is 2005, 10, 15, and so here first we will select 2020 data series, and next I will right click on it, data labels. Here I will select outside and then I will select more option. Now here I will just go to number. It should be number format and it should be 1 decimal places. We'll press enter and click OK. So this is done. As you can see, 2020 is now labeled with 1 decimal places. Next we will move to step number 15. Step number 15 is worth of 4 marks. In step number 15 it is saying now you are ready to focus on the places worksheet. First you will find abbreviation and replace with the city name. Display the places worksheet. Find all the occurrence of POS and replace with Boston. So here I will select places. I will go to home tab, find and replace. Here I will select POS with POSTON and I will select replace all. As you can see, 13 replacement have been made, so I will close it. So I have completed step number 15. Next we will move to step number 16. But before starting step number 16, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. In step number 16, it is saying you decided to convert the data set to a table, assign a name to the table and apply table style. Convert the data to a table, assign the table name as tourist attraction and apply blue table style light 13. So here I will just click here and click on places worksheet, go to insert table, and here make sure this my table header has been checked and click OK. Next we have to change its name. Its name is tourist attraction, so here I am just going to copy it, and this is the table name on the table design, and here I am just going to paste it, Ctrl V and enter it. Next, blue table light style 13. So this is blue table light style 13. So this is done. Next, this assignment is consist of 32 points. If you want me to do this complete assignment for you, solve this complete assignment for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will solve out this assignment for you at a reasonable price and will provide good grades for you. I can do all your weekly assignment, quizzes, exams, all the things at a reasonable price. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.